Good morning, everybody. So I wanted to tell you a little bit this morning about the Maths Learning Centre. So the Maths Learning Centre is an initiative which we set up last year for the first time. It's housed in M202, which is the large tutorial venue in the Maths building on the ground floor as you walk in through the right entrance. The Maths Learning Centre is a centre or an area where you can come and work collaboratively together with your classmates on mathematics. We've got a lot of whiteboard set up, we've got whiteboard markers, we have tutors there, and tutors there are from second and third year. They've been through Math 1000 themselves, and they're there to help you to work together to work on problems that you might bring along, problems from the tutorial, questions you might have from lectures which you want to work through on the board together, normally in groups of 3 or 4 or 5, seems to work very well. So the Maths Learning Centre is open every day from 1 till 1:45 and from 4 till 4:45. You can come along either on your own and find some other people to work with, or just work together at the board. The board's on your own if you want, but we really do recommend that if you can find other people to work with, it's a very good way of improving your mathematical thinking skills. So the reason for this is because when you're working with other people, you will be learning from your classmates, and you will also be teaching your classmates. So you will often find that there's a part of a question which somebody else knows how to do, and then all of a sudden you realise that you know how to do another bit, and you stand up and you can then teach them and show them. So it's really about collaborative learning together. Okay. So I highly recommend coming along to the Maths Learning Centre. If you have free time at Meridian or 4 till 4:45, those students who came along last year gave amazing feedback. They really said that the Maths Learning Centre, along with other resources, was really one of the key reasons that they made it through Math 1000 successfully. Okay. It really is a very valuable resource, but along with all the other resources, you have to take the initiative and actually come and use it. Okay, so that's going to be running every day from next week, from Monday to Friday, from next week through the rest of the semester, through the rest of the year. We are going to have refreshments, tea and coffee available some of the time. It's not necessarily going to be there all of the time, and that's for free. So come along. If you have time next week, come along and check it out. See if you find that it's a useful environment for you to work in. If you do find it is, then tell your other classmates. We really want to get this initiative up and running again this year as soon as possible. Okay, very good. See you all soon.